Hi, I'm Bob Fox, Senior Vice President of Car Wash Catalyst. If you're considering an investment in the fastest growing brick and mortar industry in the country, our Investor Seminar is for you. Our Investor Seminar is a single-day introductory course meticulously crafted to guide both new and existing car wash business owners through the intricacies of our industry. What will you learn? Well, let me break it down for you. Number one, how to evaluate growth opportunities and business models. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to expand, understanding the landscape of the car wash industry is crucial for your success. Number two, how to avoid the 7 most common mistakes when finding and evaluating potential locations. We'll equip you with the knowledge and the tools to make informed decisions that set your business up for growth and profitability. Number three, how to estimate capital and operating costs to maximize your profits. From equipment selection to maintenance expenses, we'll help you develop a comprehensive understanding of the financial aspects of running a successful car wash business. Real cost of entry to the industry, real profit potential, no BS. Ready to take the first step towards building your empire in the car wash industry? Join us at our Investor Seminar and gain the knowledge and confidence you need to succeed. Visit sonnysdirect.com to reserve your spot today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to strategically plan your entrance into the industry or grow your existing car wash business. We hope to see you soon. As always, good luck and good washing.